Well, we're at Alderbrook, and just around the corner is this, they call it historic water wheel. It's called Dalby water wheel. It's out here kind of in the sticks. And if we walk over here, it's got its history. So recently celebrated its 100th birthday. It's broke during a heavy winter, and then they brought a wheel from Seattle to the creek, which isn't too far away. Anyway, there's the history. You probably should come and watch it. And some of the donors are right here. So anyway, near the Alderbrook Resort, this is Mike signing off.